We know today means spending more time at home, and spending more time at home means spending more time with the family. And soon enough, you're going to be hearing the kids say, "Mom, I'm bored." So I've got some really clever ideas that you can do to keep the kids busy and active during these weeks of staying at home. First, create a puppet show. This is one of my all-time favorite projects for kids because it's simple, it's easy, and the kids can get their imagination flowing. Plus, it takes up a lot of time. So, get the kids set up with all the supplies they need. Paper bags, construction paper, cardstock, glue, googly eyes, glue, scissors, fabric straps, anything you have laying around the house. Let the kids create a character puppet. And when their masterpiece is drying, the kids can write a play, and I mean a real story, with a beginning, a middle, and an end, have a plot twist, have them include a song, and make sure there's a good lesson to be learned. And then the kids can perform the puppet show for mom and dad. And they can even perform it on a video conferencing call for grandma and grandpa. So another terrific learning activity is to dive into the culture of other countries. You pick a new country for each day and have the kids learn about that country. So they're going to find the country on the map, have the kids craft the country's flag with construction paper, find out interesting facts about the country, and even how to say hello in the country's language. You could serve the cuisine of the country. It's something engaging and a great teaching moment to help the kids escape from being home. It's kind of like being on vacation. Maybe you could start with the country of your family's own origins. Now, if everyone is working from home, by this time, handling the chores and work and family can be a free-for-all and probably a little overwhelming too if one parent is trying to do it all. Well, a fun solution is have the kids make a double-sided sign. One side says mom on duty and the other side says dad on duty. Praise the kids for their artistic skills, but then use the sign and put it where everyone can see it, so you know who's in charge, who is the go-to parent. While mom's on duty, dad's getting some work done. While dad's on duty, mom's taking a break. And since the Summer Olympics have been postponed until next year, you can organize your own Olympic Games. Just pick 4 to 5 activities that the kids can do outside in the backyard, and each parent can be the coach of an individual or the team. The kids can compete in a variety of activities. It's a great way to get moving, and you can even give out your own medals. Finally, if you want to show your gratitude, make a sign to stick in the window thanking all the healthcare workers and first responders for their dedication and action during this uncertain time. You can also thank your neighbors for just staying home. Yeah, this time is a little bit crazy, but we can all do our part to grow as individuals and create family memories that are unforgettable. So stay home, stay healthy, and I'll see you guys soon.